Yes, good morning everyone. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all. If yes, then just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class. Yes everybody, hope it is loud and clear to all. Yes friends, shall we start? Alright. So guys, yesterday we have started the topic averages, and today we are like in the second class of average. It is the continuation of yesterday's class. So yesterday we have solved like some different questions which were based on the numbers. Like if the average of 7 consecutive odd natural numbers is this, then what will be the largest among them and what is the least among them. So this type of questions. Yesterday we have solved some questions based on arithmetic progression also. We discussed how to find the nth term of NAP, right? Hope you hope you are able to recall that concept also, right everyone? Fine. Okay. So guys, today we are going to discuss the true definition of average, and we are going to discuss the true application of the averages. The definition that we have discussed yesterday was like if you have to define average, or if you have to tell the definition of average to a layman, then you are going to tell him like the equal distribution of all the things that we have among us or with us, right? So equal distribution of all the things, equal distribution of the money that we have among us, fine. So guys, this is the contribution concept that we are going to study today, and all the questions will be based on this contribution concept only, and the questions will be solved with the help of thinking only. We won't be using any formula, right? And I'll be telling you like some specific questions are there, like where the formula is actually needed. Yes, so guys, just read this. When any quantity joins a group, they bring in surplus or deficit. Alright? When any quantity joins the group, they bring in surplus or deficit. This surplus or deficit is equally distributed among all the members of the group, including the new entrant. So yes, online students, guys, we are live now. Please join. Okay. Yes. So guys, when any quantity joins the group, they bring in surplus or deficit. This surplus or deficit is equally distributed among all the participants, including the new entrant. Alright. So guys, this is the very basic thing that you must be understanding also. Like for example, suppose that we are sitting in this class, right? So some average weight of this class will be there. There must be an average weight of this class, right? For example, the average weight of all of us is, suppose that, let's say 55 kg, for example. The average weight of all of us is 55 kg. And let's say a new student comes to this class, right? Then there are 3 possibilities. First is his weight will be 55. Second is his weight will be less than 55. And the third is his weight will be more than 55. There are 3 possibilities, right? So if his weight is equal to 55, then average of the entire class will not be changed. Correct? The old average is 55 and the person who is coming to this class is also 55, then the average of the entire class remains same. But if his weight is more than 55 or less than 55, right? So when any quantity joins the group, they bring in some surplus or deficit, right? So obviously if his weight is more than 55, then this will be treated as the surplus, or if his weight is less than 55, that will be the deficit. Correct everybody? And that surplus or deficit will be equally distributed among all the members of this class, including the new entrant. To find the average. Average means what? The equal distribution of what we have. Correct everybody? Right. Now just read the first question. Don't try to solve it. You just read and just try to understand the situation. Right. Don't solve it, guys. Just read that and think about the best case. Everyone, think about the best case, guys. Okay. So question says the average age of 5 students of a class is 20 years. If a faculty comes whose age is 26 years, find out the new average age of the entire class. Guys, getting it? So here, there are 5 students. Let's say they are A, B, C, D, E. How? They are A, B, C, D, E. They are the 5 students. And the best case scenario would be what? If the weight of all the students is 20 years. Right? If the weight of all the students is 20 years, then obviously the weight of the average weight of the class will be 20 years. Correct? Right? Okay. So this is 20, this is 20, this is 20, this is also 20, and this is also 20, right? Guys, is it clear? So we have just assumed that, let's say the weight of all the students is 20. Just think about it. So that's why the average will be 20 always. Correct? Now when the faculty comes, the faculty, let's say F stands for faculty. Correct? If faculty comes, his weight is what? 26? His or her? 26. Now 26 is what? This is 20 plus 6. Guys, just think on it. This is 20 plus 6. So the old average of the group is 20. He is coming with plus 6, I mean surplus of 6. His contribution to the group is positive 6. Clear everyone? Right? And now this contribution will be equally distributed among all the members of the group, including the new entrant. It means like the faculty has his own 20 and he has 6 more to distribute among the group. Correct? Now this 6 will be distributed among how many candidates? 6. Right? So new average will be 20 plus 6 divided by 6. I mean everyone will be getting 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and this is also 1. Guys, what will be the new average? 21. Everybody clear with this? So this is the process, right? So this is 20 plus 1 is 21 years. Right? Fine now, everyone? Any confusion, friends? Anyone? Any doubt? Any query? Any problem? Done? Others? It's fine? Sharing? Done? Very good. Please note it down, everyone. Akram, ho gaya aapka? Where you were yesterday, Akram? We all were missing you actually. Huh? Okay. So, is it fine now, everyone? Huh? Okay. Clear everybody? Huh? Okay. Done? Shall we come to the next question, friends? Everyone? Let's talk about the new question. Guys, and in the next question you don't need to solve the question, you just have to read it, process it and tell me the answer. Right? You don't need to solve the question. Right? Everybody? Just read the question. Yes. Put down your pens, all of you. Just read the question and try to process it simultaneously. What's the answer? Final answer? 42. Yes. See, everyone, just think on it. Here, the average weight of 10 students is 40 kg given. The 11th person is coming with his weight as 62. 62 means the total contribution is what, guys? 22, right? And 22 is the positive contribution. That will be distributed among 11 members now. So each member will be getting plus 2, right? So 40 was the old average and the new average is 40 plus 2, which is 42. Guys, clear? Right, everyone? Okay. Please note it down. All right. Those who are sitting online, guys, comfortable? Everybody? Comfortable now? All right. Hope it is clear to all of you. Huh? I can see some of you. Those who are sitting online. Okay. Yes, guys. Let's move to the next question. Yes, all of you, I'll solve this question for you, right? But we all will be solving it together, don't worry. Please read this question, all of you. Yes, Shakti, Pratyusha, Siramulu. All right, good, thank you. Yes, guys, now please read this question. Question says there is, in a class of 90 high students, it has the average marks as 75%. 5 new students are joining, right, with their marks as 70%, 68%, 42%, 83% and 57%. Guys, the overall average, the average before joining them is given as 75%. Correct? The old average is given as 75%, right? You just tell me the individual contribution. What is his contribution, guys?
-5.
Yes, it is -5. Yes or no, friends? It is -5 because this person is coming with some deficit, right? So this is -5, all of you. What is this? -7. What is this? -23. Huh? 23 or 33? 33. 33, I'm sorry. This is 33. Right. What is this? +8.
+8.
Yes. And what is this? -18. Yes, -18, correct. So all of you here, this is -10. 33 plus 7 is what? 40. 40 and 5 is 45. So this is -45. So -45 and -10, it is -55 overall. So total, let me write the total here. The total is -55%. Everyone, so these 5 students are coming with -55% contribution. Now this -55 will be distributed among all the candidates including the new entrant. Now total how many candidates are there in the class? 95 was earlier and 5 are joining now. Total there are 100 students, right? So the new average will be 75 minus 55 divided by 100. Everybody, yes or no? Right? So this is 75 minus 0.55, which is 74.45. Everybody clear? Right? This is 74.45. Any doubt, friends? Any confusion? Any query? Those who are sitting online also? Everybody clear now? Ayan, any doubt? Clear? Okay. Guys, hope it is clear now. Everyone? Alright, very good. Those who are sitting online, okay. Teja is saying, sir, please repeat. Okay, Teja, see here, you just find the individual contribution for each student, right? So the overall initial average was 75. One person came with 70%, so obviously he is contributing -5 to the group. He is contributing -7 to the group, right? So total contribution we have found as -55%. So these 5 students who are joining the class now, they are coming with -55%. So that -55% would be distributed among 100 students now. So each student will be getting -0.55, right? So 74.45 will be the new average. All right. Okay, everyone, good. That's great. Clear now? Okay. Let's take one more question, guys. Everybody just read this question. Don't solve it. Just read, right? Just read this question. Don't solve it. question is saying a batsman has a certain average runs for 16 innings. In 17th innings, he made a score of 87 runs and thereby increases his average by 3 runs. Okay. What is his average after 17th innings? Correct? Everyone just think on it. A batsman has a certain average for 16 innings. In 17th innings, he scored 87 runs and thereby he increases his average by 3 runs. मुझे एक बात बताइए friends. All of you just tell me one thing. In 17th innings, what he has done? He has scored the old average plus something extra so that he can contribute to all the innings. Yes or no? Right? And what was his contribution to other innings? What was his contribution? He increased his average by what? 3 runs. It means he contributed 3 runs to all the innings. Yes or no? Right? Abhi dekhiye, like in the question of faculty, when faculty comes. So faculty is coming with his average as 20, but he is coming with some contribution so that he can contribute 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 to all the 6 members. Right? So similarly here, the 7th candidate, sorry, 7th or what? 17th, I'm sorry. Here, 17th, in 17th innings, he is scoring something which is actually something more than his old average. And what is extra? It is 17 into 3 extra. Why? Because he is contributing 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 to all 17 innings. Right? Just think on it. See, initial 16 innings, huh? Let's say these are the first 16 innings. We don't know what is the average, so assume X. In 17th innings, what he has done, he has scored his X, the old average. He has scored his X plus how much extra? 17 into 3 extra. Why? Because he has contributed 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 to all these 17 innings. Yes or no? Right. It means he must have the score of 17 into 3 extra than the average, more than the average. That's why he is able to contribute that. Correct? So in 17th innings, what he has scored, he has scored X plus 51. And question is saying he has scored 87. So it means X means 36. What you have assumed X you have assumed as the old average. Everybody, yes or no? X you have assumed as the old average of first 16 innings. It means the old average was 36 and the new average will be what? 36 plus 3, which is 39. Everyone fine now? Okay. So this is the old average. What is the question? What is the average after 17th innings? It means the question is asking about new average, right? So new average would be 36 plus 3, which is 39. Everyone is clear now? Okay? Ayan, yep.
In the previous questions that we did, when the issue of surplus came, we had divided the surplus along with the quantities of the particular entries.
Correct.
But in this, why did we multiply the surplus with the quantities?
See, the thing is, the surplus is distributed among all the members including the new entrant. So here, surplus would be distributed among 17 members, yes or no? Right? Now there are 17, right? So surplus would be distributed among 17 members. So 17, like everyone is getting, the surplus is what? 3. I mean, everyone is getting 3, 3, 3, right? So 17 will be, 3 would be distributed to all the 17 members. So 17 into 3 must be surplus. Right? Correct? Okay? Yeah. Yes, everybody clear now? Huh? Okay. Okay. Very good. Shall we move now, guys? Everyone is clear? Adarsh, आपको समझ में आ रहा है बढ़िया से? Mimi, it's fine. ठीक है. Shall we move now? Sharing, comfortable? That's good. Okay. So, guys, now let's move to the next question. The next question is talking about almost the similar question. Guys, now please don't solve it and please try to tell me the answer. अगर आप कर पाते हैं तो, नहीं कर पाएंगे तो कोई बात नहीं. I would be helping you out, right? If you are able to tell me the answer without solving this question. Think on it, guys. Yes, everyone. Those who are sitting online also.
32.
Huh?
32.
32? Okay. Guys, I'm getting one answer as 32. Can you confirm that answer? Everyone? I'm getting one answer as 32. Can you confirm this? What? 42. 40. Okay.
52.
Huh?
52.
52. 52. Akram is saying? 52. Okay. Yes, everyone? Sharing? No idea? No problem. Ayan, what's your answer? Thinking? All right. Yes, everyone? And what's your answer? Not get, oh, all right, no problem. Guys, shall we discuss? Okay, Vara Telugu is saying, sir, it is 42. Ravi Karan is saying, sir, it is 52. All right, Vara, it is 42. Okay, guys, shall we discuss? Mimi, 40 and 42 is too close. All right. Okay, guys, let's start the discussion. Huh? You just tell me, the question is saying find the average for first 6 players. It means the question is talking about the old average because total 7 players are there. Right. Now, you please tell me, friends, the 7th player is contributing what to all the members? 10. It means the total contribution he must be doing is what? 7 into 10, that is 70. So, it means he made the score which is 70 more than the old average. Right. So, what did he score? 112. 112 is 70 more than the old average. So, the old average must be 42 and the new average will be 42 plus 10, 52. Right. Think on it. See, like it is very much similar to the last question. Very much similar. Right. So, let's assume the average is x. The 7th player, he is scoring x plus 7 into 10. Right. So, he is scoring x plus 70 which is given as 112. So, x is equal to 42. Guys, yes or no? Think on it. Right. Everybody fine now? Any doubt? Oh, Ayan, what was your confusion by the way? Huh?
The 7th player when he scored a mass of 112, when he scored 112 runs, I was trying to subtract it and then multiply it with the.
I was trying to subtract then multiplying them for anyways, take it. Alright. Yes. Okay. Yes, everybody is clear now. Guys, any doubt? Vimi, what was your 40, why did you got 40? What was the logic?
By mistake I took 72 instead of taking 70.
Acha. 10 into 7 is 72.
112 minus 72.
Oh, okay, fine.
42 आ गया है मेरा पर मैंने
आपने 10
subtract कर दिया।
अच्छा 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया ठीक है, ये ध्यान रखिएगा ये सारी चीजें, राइट? So guys, are you getting it? Like this question will not take more than a minute, right? This question will not take more than a minute for you. Okay. But yes, provided you should be solving the question the way it is needed. Right? ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि आप उसको x कर रहे हैं फिर y कर रहे हैं. So the correct answer, okay, someone is asking, sir, what is the correct answer? So question is saying find the average of first 6 players. I mean the old average the question is talking about. Right? So old average is 42 and new average is 42 plus 10 is 52. So question is asking about the old average. So correct answer is 42. Everybody done? So the correct answer is 42. Renuga Devi is asking, sir, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 42, guys. Everyone fine now? Any doubt, any confusion, any query friends? Any problem? No? Comfortable? Comfortable? All of you? Huh? Shall we move now?
Yes, sir.
Ayan, yes. क्या पूछना है जल्दी?
So that score of 112.
112.
Then so 7 players did the 7th player increased the runs by 10 runs. So 70 to 10 is 70. So
7th player contributed 70 runs to the average. That's why that 70 was equally distributed among all the 7 members.
70 is counted among the 7 players. Then sir, why the division of why the subtraction of 112 gives the old average?
See, think on it. For example, like the first question that we have solved, just think on it. इधर देखिए, Ayan. The first question that we have solved, where the weight of first 5 candidates in the class was 20, and when the faculty came, sorry, the age, when the faculty came, he was coming with 26, right? So here also just think on it. The average of first 6 players was 42, and 7th player scored 112, right? Now what is the new average? Suppose that this is the question. So this player scored how much extra than the 42? So this is 42 plus 70 extra, right? So he is contributing 70 to the group, and that 70 is equally distributed among all the 7 members. So everybody is getting plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, right? So new average will be 42 plus 10, 42, 70 by 7. So this is 52. So this is the entire question actually, right? Clear now? Everybody fine? Clear? Guys, any doubt? No? Comfortable? Alright. Okay. Online students, guys, it is clear now? Yes. Okay. That's great. Let's move, friends, to the next question. Okay. Fine. Shall we move? Okay. After that, yes, everyone again, just look at this question. करना नहीं है आपको, ठीक है? You just have to read it. That's it. And I'll be discussing about the question. Just read. What this question is asking, करना नहीं है guys, don't solve it. Just read this question. The question is saying the average age of 25 boys of a class is 13 years, correct? If 5 such students are admitted to this class whose average age is 14.5, then find the average age of the total number of students, correct? See, everybody, abhi, like just 2 questions back we have solved one question. That question was 5 new students are coming to the class and the average marks was 75% were given, I suppose, right? So we have contributed the individual, we have counted the individual's contribution there. Yes or no? And overall contribution we have found as 55, minus 55% शायद. ऐसे कुछ था, right? So here 5 students are joining. 5 students are joining. Now this time the individual's age is not given. This time the individual's age is not given. In that question the individual's marks were given. Did you remember that? One student was coming as 70%, another was coming as 42%, something, right? Do you remember that question? So here, the individual age is not given. The age of the group, the average age of the entire 5 students is given, right? So now friends, just think on it. What is the best case scenario if the average age of the 5 students are given as 14.5? So the best case scenario would be if you assume the age of each candidate as 14.5, correct? So if you assume the age of each candidate as 14.5, then what will be the contribution of each student? 1.5, because 13 is the old average. Each student is coming as 14.5, 14.5, 14.5, 14.5. So each student is contributing 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, right? Total 5 students are there. Each one is contributing 1.5. So what is the total contribution? 1.5 into 5. That is 7.5, right? So total contribution is plus 7.5, guys. And this plus 7.5 will be distributed among how many candidates? 30. Right? See, 7.5 into 2 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30, so it is 1/4. Right? 1/4 means what? 0.25. So guys, average will be increased by 0.25. So the old average was 13, the new average will be 13.25 years. Guys, getting it or not? Else, I'll be writing it also. Right? मुझे एक बात बताइए. The best case scenario would be, we have considered the weight of all the student is 14.5. Right? Those 5 students are joining. The weight of all the students is 14.5. So here this is 1.5. The contribution is 1.5, 1.5 plus 1.5, right? So overall contribution is positive 7.5. And this 7.5 will be distributed among 30 students. Guys, is it clear now? Right? So you just have to think smartly, guys. Question would be solved. Right? You just have to think smartly. Okay? Right? So if they are talking about average, just assume that all the students have their same age. That is equal to average. So that you can minimize your calculation. Right? That's it. Okay? Yes? Yes, anyone? Any doubt? Any query? Any confusion? That's बिल्कुल ऐसे ही आएंगे. कल अभी हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए थे ना एग्जाम के. इस वाले टॉपिक के भी कर लेंगे अभी करते हैं. Yes guys, चलिए ठीक है. One of your friend is asking, sir, please try to solve some PYQs based on this concept, right? Let's take some PYQs, right? On your demand, right? Guys, take out the books, please. Everyone, take out the book. Okay, nice. Take out the book. Come to PYQs of average. Page number 158. Everybody, page number 158. Question number 7. Guys, read the question. Question number 7. Everyone, you don't need to write, please put down your pens. Just read the question with me. The average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. I repeat, the average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. It was found later that the marks of one student were 53. The marks of one student were 53, which was misread as 83. Guys, the actual marks were 53, that was misread as 83, right? Okay. The correct mean marks are, the correct average was. If you rectify your error, then what will be the actual average? Guys, getting the question? Right? देखिए हुआ क्या है कि एक एक मान लीजिए क्लर्क है, वो 100 स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स की एंट्री कर रहा है सिस्टम पे, ठीक, तो मार्क्स एंटर कर दिए उसने और एवरेज फॉर्मूला लगा के कैलकुलेट कर दिया। सपोज दैट एक्सेल में एक फॉर्मूला डाला, एवरेज कैलकुलेट। अब हुआ क्या, प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ कि एक स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स जिसके 53 आने थे, उसके मार्क्स बाई मिस्टेक उसने 83 एंटर कर दिए, राइट। तो जब भी गलत इनपुट जाएगा तो आंसर भी गलत आएगा ऑब्वियसली, राइट। तो किसी ने उसको करेक्ट किया कि भाई अपना एवरेज देखो, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, एक स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स आपने गलत एंटर कर दिए हैं, गलत इनपुट कर दिए हैं, ठीक। तो नाउ ही हैज रेक्टिफाइड हिज एरर। जैसे ही उसने एरर करेक्ट किया, एवरेज चेंज हो गया। सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट एवरेज? अब इधर देखिए जरा गाइस, इफ द पर्सन विल रेक्टिफाई हिज एरर, हाउ इट विल इम्पैक्ट द टोटल? -30. Why? Because 53 was misread as 83. So plus 30. जैसे ही आप 53 को 83 करते हैं, you are adding 30 to it, right? So actually it was inflated by 30. The total average was inflated by 30. So as soon as he rectified his error, the average will be the sum will be decreased by 30, right? So it was the contribution of -30 to the group, right? And -30 will be distributed among how many candidates? 100 candidates, because 100 students are there. So each student will be getting what? -0.3. 30 divided by 10 and -30 divided by 10. So each student is getting -0.3. Let me change the color. So here, each student is getting -0.3. Right? So the old average was given as what? 40. So 40 minus 0.3. So this is 39.7. Right? Others. ऐसे questions आएंगे. Right? Clear everybody? Huh? So this was the question. Okay? So guys, while reading the question, you can tell me the answer. Right? Provided you have to be alert. You have to be thoughtful. Okay? Yes, everyone. Fine now. Guys, any doubt, any query, any confusion? Huh? Yes, ठीक है. Yes, those who are sitting online. I can see some of you. Mansa Yadav. Okay. Santosh. Shakti. Ravi Karan. Pratyusha. All right. Guys, is it fine now? Shall we move? Okay. Let's move to the next question, friends. Done now? आदर्श हो गया अभी? शेयरिंग आपका हो गया? Okay. Shall we move now, friends? हाँ? Okay, ठीक है. आइए. Again, guys, now you please read this question. आप नहीं करेंगे इसको. We all will be solving it together. ठीक है? We all will be solving it together. Just tell me, friends, one thing. Here, a class has an average marks of 75%. ठीक है? 5 new students are joining with their marks as, मैं इस बार यहीं पे लिखता हूँ. This is plus 5% everyone. हाँ, देखिए. Plus 5. This is plus 10. Correct? This is plus 23. Huh? Right. And this is minus 10. And this is minus 16. Everyone, yes or no? Huh? Right. So this is minus 26 and this is plus 23. So minus 3 यहाँ पे हो गया. Right. And 15 minus 3 is plus 12. Guys, यही होगा कि नहीं? Think on it. Overall contribution will be plus 12. All of you? Done? So overall contribution will be plus 12. Guys, when the contribution is positive, the average will be increased. When the contribution is negative, then average will be decreased. Yes or no? So overall contribution is plus 12. And the question is saying, after their joining, the average increases by 0.25. 0.25 क्या होता है? What is 0.25? 1/4. Right. So guys, here, just think on it. Here, abhi we have solved one question. The question was 7.5 divided by 30 and we have got the answer as 1/4. Do you remember that? Right. Here also the average is increasing by 1/4. 1/4 means what? Numerator is 4 times denominator. I mean numerator is of 1/4 of denominator or denominator is of 4 times of numerator. यही है ना? Right. So guys, 12 marks is getting distributed among some candidates such that each candidate is getting 1/4. 12 marks are getting among some candidates such that each candidate is getting 1/4. So 12 marks must be getting distributed among 12 into 4 such that each one is getting 1/4. Just think on it. Like 1 rupee is getting distributed among some candidates such that each one is getting 1/4. 1 rupee is getting distributed among some candidates such that each one is getting 1/4, 25 paisa. It means 1 rupee must be getting among 4 candidates. Right? So here 12 rupee must be getting distributed among 48 candidates such that each one is getting 1/4. ये बात आपको समझ में आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? हाँ? देखिए आपके पास कंट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए क्या है 12 और सबको मिल कितना रहा है 1/4. तो 12 कितने लोगों के बीच में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जा रहा है कि ईच वन इज गेटिंग 1/4. सो 12 विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग 48 कैंडिडेट्स. सो 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 48 इज 1/4. यही है ना? आप सोच के देखो, एक बात मुझे बताओ, अगर मैं 10 रुपए डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा हूं किसी ग्रुप के अंदर और हर एक स्टूडेंट को या हर एक कैंडिडेट को 50 पैसे मिल रहे हैं, तो उस ग्रुप में कितने लोग रहे होंगे? 20 कैसे निकाला आपने? आपने 10 into 2 किया ना. अब मैं कह रहा हूं कि मैं एक ग्रुप में 10 रुपए डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा हूं एंड ईच कैंडिडेट इज गेटिंग 25 पैसा, 25 पैसा. इट मीन्स हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स आर देयर इन द ग्रुप? 10 into 4, 40. Now in the same group I am distributing 12 rupees and each candidate is getting 25 paisa. It means 12 into 4, 48 candidates are there in that group. Getting it everyone? Maybe? Sure? No? Achha. Just think on it, everyone, just think on it. इधर देखिए जरा. मैं एक बात बोलता हूँ. Just assume that the number of candidates are X. ठीक? So 12 is getting distributed among X candidate such that each one is getting 0.25 or 1/4. यही है ना? Right? So X is equal to what? X is equal to 12 into 4. ठीक है? Right? Which is 48. 12 is getting distributed among X candidates such that each candidate is getting 1/4. अभी clear? Right? हो गया ना? Sharing, it's clear now? So, अभी रुकिए, but the question is not ended here. Question is saying find out the initial number of students in the class. See guys, right now, after the joining of 5 new kids, 5 new children, there are 48 students in the class. Question is saying find the initial number of students in the class. So 48 minus 5, which is 43. So initially there must be 43 students in the class. The answer is 43, right? So guys, this is 48. 48 minus 5, the final answer is 43 students. Guys, any doubt, any query, any confusion? Huh? Everyone, the final answer is 43 students. Any doubt, friends? Any query, any confusion, any problem? Mimi, what happened? Clear? Okay. Okay. Is it clear now, all of you? Okay, ठीक है. चलिए. Shall we move? अक्रम हो गया आपका? ठीक है. Sharing done. Shall we move now? All of you? Okay. After that, yes, everyone. This is almost the similar question, right, as the previous one. मुझे एक बात बताइए, the average weight of the class is 43 kg. Just read it. The average weight. You won't solve it. We will be solving it together, right? The average weight of the class is 43 kg. ठीक है? Later, 4 students join the class. 4 students join the class whose weights are. So this is what, guys? This is the contribution of what? -1. This is the contribution of what? -6.5. This is the contribution of what? -4. This is the contribution of what? -0.5. ठीक है? Right. So -0.5 and -6.5 is 7 and this is -5. So again the contribution is -12. Guys, is it clear? So when the 4 students are joining, they are coming with -12 contribution. Right. After that, the average now becomes 42.5. See everyone, the initial average was 43. Now it became what? 42.5. So each candidate is getting what? -0.5. Yes or no? So 12 is getting distributed among some candidates such that each one is getting -0.5 or 0.5. Right? It means 12 is getting distributed among 12 into 2. 1 by 2, right? So 12 into 2. So 12 is getting distributed among 12 into 2, 24 candidates. So in the group or in the class, 24 students are now present. Right? Question is asking what? Find the original number of students. What is the answer? 24 minus 4 is 20. Right? Okay. Alright, good. So guys, hope it is clear now. Please note it down, everyone. See, question is saying, now the average is reduced by 0.5. लिखा हुआ है ना? Average is reduced by 0.5. Actually, initially it was 43. Now it is 42.5. So it is reduced by 0.5. 0.5 means 1 by 2. So 12 is getting distributed among some candidates such that each one is getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 12 must be getting distributed among 12 into 2 candidates, right? Because 12 divided by 12 into 2, so this will be 1 by 2, yes or no? Right? Okay. So if 12 will be distributed among 12 candidates, each one will be getting 1. 12 will be getting among 24 candidates, each one will be getting 1 by 2. Right? Okay. Guys, any doubt? Any query? Any confusion? No? All right. That's great. That's very good. That's really good. Shall we move? Huh? Shall we move now, guys? Huh? Okay. अच्छा चलिए आगे बढ़े हम लोग ठीक है okay now friends the concept of interchange see everybody interchange means you must be understanding it like if one candidate is going another candidate is coming right if 5 candidates are going then 5 new candidates are coming interchange right so here guys the concept of interchange means what the initial number of candidates in the group and the final number of candidates in the group will remain same भाई अगर 2 जाएंगे तो 2 आ जाएंगे 5 जाएंगे तो 5 आ जाएंगे 1 जाएगा तो 1 आ जाएगा राइट सो इनिशियल नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट एंड द फाइनल नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट इन द ग्रुप विल रिमेन सेम ठीक है अब होगा क्या कि लाइक व्हाई द एवरेज गेट्स चेंज्ड if initial number of candidates and the final number of candidates are same then why the average gets changed yes average gets changed due to the contribution and from where the contribution comes the contribution comes like from the difference between the person who has left and the person who has joined suppose that for example like here some students are sitting fine let's say one student is leaving this class whose weight is suppose that 50 kg right and at the same time one student is coming to this class whose weight is 60 kg 50 is leaving 60 is coming it means due to this interchange, plus 10 came to this class, right? And now this plus 10 would be equally distributed among all the members of this class. So due to this contribution change, due to this interchange, average will be increased because the positive contribution happened. Correct, everybody? So similarly, due to the change, the average gets changed. But initial number of candidates and the final number of candidates would be same in the interchange concept. Okay, shall we move to the questions? Right? Okay. Just read this question, guys. Right. Question is saying, in a committee of the average age of a committee of 8 persons decreased by 2 years when a senior most person aged 60 got retired, and at the same time the younger one joined his place. Find out the age of the new one. Right, guys, just think about this question. Right, everybody, just think about this question. What is happening over there? There is a committee of 8 members, right? The senior most person got retired. Let's say he became, he attained the age of 60 years, so he got retired. So when he got retired, so at the same time they invited for an application, and the one student joined the group, right? So at the same time another student joined, or the new candidate joined. But due to this interchange, the average age of the committee decreased by 2 years. यही लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, right? Just tell me, friends, here if average is decreased by 2 years, which means what? It is the contribution of -2 to each candidate. So total contribution is what? -16. And from where this -16 came, guys? This -16 generated due to the age difference between the person who has left and the person who has joined. Right? So the person who has left, so total contribution is what? 8 into -2. So total contribution is -16, and from where this -16 generated? This -16 generated due to the person who has left and the person who has joined. So the person who has joined must be 60 minus 16, he must be of 44 years of age. Right? So while reading the question is over, guys. Right? Please note it down. Yes. The answer is 44. अब देख रहे हैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ने में कितना लेंदी है, राइट? और सॉल्व करने में क्या है? कुछ नहीं, आप उसको पढ़िए और वो खत्म, राइट? यस. Is everybody done? Shall I move now? Okay. ठीक है. Shall we come to the next question? हाँ प्लीज, हाँ बताइए. अच्छा लिख लीजिए प्लीज. Guys, any doubt? No? Others समझ में आ गया सब कुछ? बढ़िया से. आंखें खुल गई हो. चलिए ठीक है. Okay. All right. Guys, now let's move to the next question. ये वाला क्वेश्चन आप करिए जरा. यस एवरीवन, ये वाला क्वेश्चन आप करिए. कोई कुछ लिखना नहीं है गाइस. डोंट राइट एनीथिंग एंड टेल मी द आंसर. यस, डोंट राइट एनीथिंग एंड टेल मी द आंसर. Yes, everyone. Those who are sitting online, हाँ जी, ओहो what happened? अक्रम, हाँ आदर्श, खुली हुई आंखों से जवाब दीजिए आदर्श। खुली हुई आंखों से जवाब दीजिए। अरे डाटा अरे यार क्या कुछ भी चल रहा है। हाँ बहुत यार।
So I'm calculating
Oh, why are you calculating? Not a calculation needed here.
14 to
Huh.
1.5.
Yes, online students are answering. Shakti is saying 110, Varat Telugu is saying 110. 110 is the answer. 110 is the correct answer. खुली आंखों से, हाँ. Yes, everyone just think on it. पहले मुझे एक बात बताइए. Here, due to the interchange, the average is increasing, right? लिखा हुआ है ना, the average is increasing by 1/4. ठीक? So if the average is increasing, it must be the positive contribution. So positive contribution means the person who has left and the person who has joined. So if 100 kg left, it means the person who has joined must be more than 100 kg. Because he is coming with a positive contribution. Right? And how much extra he is coming with? He is coming with 40 into 1/4. Why? Because he is distributing 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 to all the 40 members. So he is coming with this much extra. Right? Clear? So this is 100 plus 10. This is 110. So his weight is 110 kg. Right? Clear everyone? Simple question. Any doubt? No? ठीक है. Yes everybody. All right. Pratyusha, your answer is right. Teja, it is 110. It is not 100 by 100 into 1/4. It is 40 into 1/4. Right? Because 40 students are there. Clear now? How simple the question is. Right? How simple. Okay? Vim, it's fine. Then why didn't you answer? All right. Okay. Now, guys, इसको करिए और इसको आप ही करिए. Everybody. Yes, you need to solve this question and based on the previous method जो अभी तक हम कर रहे हैं interchange. Yes, correct. देख रहे हैं आप? हाँ. Yes, everyone. Yes, online students, guys. अरे क्या हुआ? मुझे ये बताइए. Yes, 30 is the correct answer. मुझे ये बताइए, ग्रुप में कौन आ रहा है और कौन जा रहा है? बस इतना सोचो.
2 आदमी जा रहे हैं, 2 औरतें आ रही हैं.
ठीक है. ग्रुप से क्या जा रहा है? 44 जा रहा है. और कितना आ रहा है? 44 प्लस 16 आ रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि द एवरेज ऑफ 8 इज इंक्रीजेस बाय 2. It means positive contribution is there, which is of 8 into 2, which is of 16. So positive contribution of 16 is there. 44 is leaving. 20 plus 24. 44 total is leaving. It means 44 plus 60 must be joining. Right? So 44 plus 60 must be joining. Sorry, 44 plus 16 must be joining, which is 60 years. 60 years is the sum of the ages of 2 women. 60 years is the sum of the ages of 2 women. Question is saying the average. Right? So the average is what? The average is 30 years. Guys, done? Right? Clear? Okay. All right. Very good. Very good, everyone. Okay. Shall we move? हो गया ना? Sri, Jan, Akram, Ayan, Jan, Mimi. Okay. After that, guys, ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना, यस ऐसे क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं बिकॉज यूपीएससी का जो लेवल लाइक दे आर इंक्रीजिंग देयर लेवल डे बाय डे, सो दे मे गो फॉर दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, राइट, वेयर वन क्वेश्चन विल टेस्ट यू, आई मीन विल टेस्ट यू इन एवरीथिंग. It will be testing you in contribution also, it will be testing you in interchange also, it will be testing you in everything, right? So just read this question, guys. Okay, just read this question. The question is saying the average weight of 4 persons A, B, C, D is 67. Okay, everyone, average weight of 4 persons A, B, C, D. Just think on it, friends. Average weight of 4 persons A, B, C, D is 67 years. ठीक है? Sorry, 67 kg. It is average weight of 4 persons is 67 kg. Right? So the best case scenario I would be assuming as the weight of each one is 67, 67, 60. Suppose that. Huh? Achha. After that, when the fifth man E joins, the average reduced by 2 kg, guys. There are 5 members now. E is joining the group. So when E is joining, see everybody, here the average is 67. After joining of E, the entire average becomes 65, right? Decreased by 2 years. It means E is coming with the contribution of what? Huh?
10.
Yes, minus 10. E is coming with the contribution of minus 10. Why? Because now there are 5 members. Each one is getting minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So E is coming with minus 10 contribution. Akram, right? So E is coming with minus 10 contribution. It means 67 minus 10. So weight of E will be 67 kg. Everybody clear? Right? The weight of E will be 67 kg. Guys, fine? After that, guys, after that, till here we have solved. ठीक है? After that, now read from here. A is then replaced by, now the interchange comes. This was the contribution. After that, A is then replaced by another man F. ठीक है? So A is leaving and F is joining in his place. Correct, everybody? A is then replaced by another person F whose weight is 4 kg more than E's weight. Okay. F is 4 kg more than 57. So it means F is what? Yes, F is 57 plus 4, 61 kg. Right? So weight of F is 61 kg. And due to joining, due to this interchange, the average has been changed. Due to this interchange, and consequently, average weight comes down to 64. So due to this interchange, the average is reduced to 64 kg. Everybody just think on it. Due to this interchange, the average of the entire group reduced by what? 1 kg. It means this interchange is contributing what to the group? Deficit of बताता हूँ. Deficit of 5, because minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, right? So deficit of 5. Okay. So the person who has joined is 5 kg less than the person who was already there, right? So it means the weight of A is 61 plus 5, 66 kg. I'll be repeating the question in Hindi also, don't worry guys. ठीक है? So the age of the person, weight of A was 61 plus 5 is 66 kg. ठीक है? Right. Now everybody, I am repeating this question in Hindi. देखिए, समझिए. आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ लिया है आदर्श? क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझ में आ गया? ठीक. सबसे पहले ये देखिए कि मैं बल्कि हिंदी में कर देता हूँ साइड में शुरुआत से. सबसे पहले ये देखिए कि देयर आर कितने मेंबर हैं इनिशियली आदर्श? इनिशियली 4 है. हाँ, और 4 मेंबर्स का एवरेज वेट गिवन है 65. ठीक, 65 गिवन है, सॉरी 67, आई एम सॉरी 67 गिवन है. अब क्या हुआ कि ई ने ज्वाइन किया और इसके ज्वाइन करते ही जो 67 था वो 65 पे आ गया. ये लिखा हुआ है. ठीक, देखिए रिड्यूस्ड बाय 2 kg लिखा हुआ है. तो इसका मतलब E is contributing -2 to each member. How many members are there? 5. So -2 he is contributing to all the 5 members. It means he is coming with -10 contribution. ठीक है? So इसका जो weight होगा वो होगा 67 minus 10 which is 57 kg. यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया? तो इसके ज्वाइन करते ही ग्रुप का जो एवरेज है वो 65 पे आ गया. ये क्लियर? अब वो बोल रहे हैं कि ए का रिप्लेसमेंट हुआ है एक बंदे से. ए को हटाया, एफ को लाया. ठीक है? सो ए वॉज रिप्लेस्ड बाय एफ और एफ का वेट गिवन है ई से 4 kg ज्यादा है. तो 57 प्लस 4 दैट इज 61. तो एफ का वेट हो गया 61 kg. ठीक. अब वो ये कह रहे हैं लेकिन एफ के ज्वाइन करते ही जो ग्रुप का एवरेज 65 था अब वो आ गया घट करके 64 पे. ठीक. तो ग्रुप का एवरेज अगर 1 से रिड्यूस हुआ है इसका मतलब हर कैंडिडेट को -1 गया. इसका मतलब जो एफ है वो अपने साथ -5 लेकर के आ रहा है. ठीक है. अब -5 ये जनरेट कहां से हुआ? ये जो ए गया और जो एफ आया उसके बीच में जो वेट का डिफरेंस है वो है 5. ठीक. सो जो ए का वेट रहा होगा वो रहा होगा 61 प्लस 5 विच इज 66 kg. ठीक है? क्लियर? ये बहुत अच्छा सवाल है. राइट? ओके. 65 is like this thing, the reduced by 2 kg. So 67 minus 2 would be 65. Right? 61 plus 5. It should be 61 plus 5. Why? Because it is the weight of A. A's weight must be 5 kg more than the weight of F. Because F's weight is 5 kg less than the weight of A. Right? Because when F is coming in the place of A, then the average is reduced by 1 kg. It means everyone is getting -1. So -5 is total is the contribution due to this interchange. A is heavier, yeah, obviously. Obviously, if the lighter person comes, then only the average is reduced, now, right? Yes. Yes, guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? Clear, everybody? How? Okay. All right. After that, shall we move now to the next question? हो गया ना आप लोगों का? ठीक है, चलिए. ओके. आफ्टर दैट गाइस देखिए हम लोगों ने अच्छा नाउ इंटरचेंज इन सीरीज. इंटरचेंज इन सीरीज इज व्हाट फ्रेंड्स? होता क्या है कि कभी कभी एक आपको सीरीज दी होती है पूरी की पूरी, राइट? सो इन दैट सीरीज the first term and the last term would be different. Like for example, just read this question. The question number, I mean this first question, the average temperature of Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday is 60 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius, oh. and the average temperature of Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday was 65 degrees. Oh, so hot, huh? Yes. So anyways, guys, here we have two series. The first one is this and the second one is this with same number of terms. 3 terms are there in the first series and 3 terms are there in the second series also. Correct? Now guys, just think on it. Here, I'm just changing the different color pen to indicate the same terms. Think on it, friends. Tuesday and Wednesday are common to both the series, right? So they are not changing the average, right? The average of the second series is being changed due to the temperature difference between Thursday and Monday. Guys, is it clear? Okay? And whose temperature would be more? Which day's temperature would be more, guys? Thursday's more or Monday's more? How? I mean, why? When Thursday is included, then average is increasing. जिस सीरीज में थर्सडे आ गया वहां का एवरेज बढ़ गया, तो इसका मतलब थर्सडे का टेम्परेचर मंडे से ज्यादा है. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ थर्सडे इज मोर देन दैट ऑफ मंडे गाइस, राइट? नाउ मुझे ये बताइए, थर्सडे माइनस मंडे इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? जस्ट थिंक ऑन इट फ्रेंड्स. हियर जैसे ही थर्सडे आया उसने +5 सबको दे दिया. आप समझ रहे क्यों? क्योंकि ये +5 का फर्क पड़ गया ना, +5 से एवरेज इंक्रीज हुआ ना. The average was increased by +5. So it means Thursday is contributing +5 to 3 candidates, to 3 days. So this will be 5 into 3, 15 degrees Celsius. So temperature difference between Monday and Thursday is 5 into 3, which is 15 degrees Celsius. Everyone, yes or no? Is it clear, guys? Others? Okay? Now, the question is saying, the temperature on Thursday is 62 degrees Celsius. Then find the temperature on Monday, right? So put the value of Thursday here and get the temperature of Monday, right? So guys, this is 62 minus Monday is 15 degrees Celsius. So Monday is equal to what? 47. Huh? Guys, 47. बोलिए. बोलिए. Right. Okay. Guys, any doubt, any query, anyone, any confusion, any problem? अयान क्या हुआ? हिंदी में बोलिए. हिंदी में नहीं बोल पाता है, ठीक है, तो आप इंग्लिश में बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं. Actually when Thursday is coming, Thursday is increasing the average of 3 members by 5 degrees Celsius. It means he must be contributing to each member 5. So he must be coming with the contribution of 5 into 3. That is 15. Right? Clear? Yes. Okay. Yes guys, any other doubt? Any query? Any confusion? No? Right? Okay. Yes. All right. मैं आपको ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा, आप करेंगे? क्या तैयार हैं आप? हाँ, तैयार हैं? ठीक है. All right. Okay. So guys, please get ready for the question. Okay. Yes. Any doubt, friends? No? Ayan, अभी ठीक है? With me? Okay. Shall we move now, guys? How? Chale? Yes, everyone, now please solve this question. All of you. Please solve this question, guys. 34, okay. I don't know the answer. Guys, I'm getting one answer as 34. Can you confirm this answer? मुझे आंसर नहीं पता है. Yes, all of you. 34. $34 नहीं आएगा. अच्छा ठीक है, तो जो आएगा वो बता दीजिए. यस विमी, क्या हुआ? 29.8, 29, 39. अच्छा ठीक है. पता नहीं, मुझे आंसर नहीं पता है. ठीक है, यू आर सेइंग 29.8. ओके, ऑलराइट. Yes guys, any other answer? Those who are sitting online? Ravi Karan is saying sir it is 42. Okay, alright. Ravi Karan is saying 42. Shakti is saying it is 38.8. Alright, 38.8. Yes guys, any other answer? Anyone else? Any other answer friends? Anyone? 39? Huh? 39.4. Akram is saying 39.4 degrees Celsius. All right. Yeah, sharing. What's your answer? Okay. Okay, do it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Do it. And what's your? Not getting. Okay, no problem. Guys, shall we discuss? Everyone, shall we discuss? Okay. So friends, now let's start the discussion. The average daily temperature from 9th January to 16th January, right? 9th to 16th was both days included, both inclusive, 38.6 degrees Celsius. ठीक है? And now that of from 10th to 17th, both days inclusive, was 39.2 degrees Celsius. See friends, first of all just tell me how many days are there in each series? दोनों में number of days same होंगे. See, all of you just think on it. इधर देखिए, इधर देखिए, इधर देखिए. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 16. Right, guys, how many terms are written? 16. So if I don't need these 8 terms, so 16 minus 8, I need 9 to 16, right? So there are 8 terms. So you need to think like this smartly, right? So there will be, there is no confusion between 8 and 9, correct? So there are 8 terms in both the series, guys. ठीक है? Okay? Alright. So there are 8 terms in both the series. Done? So friends, just tell me what is the difference between these two numbers? 0.6. So 0.6 into 8 is 4.8, correct? So the temperature difference between, everyone, the temperature difference between the temperature of 17th and the temperature of 9th. ठीक है? The temperature between 17th and 9th is 4.8 degrees Celsius. Yes or no, friends? And obviously, which one is more? 17th is more because the average of this series is greater than this series, right? So obviously, the temperature on 17th is more than the temperature of 9th by 4.8 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature on 9th is already given, 34.6. So the temperature on 7th is equal to this plus 9. So 4.8 degrees Celsius plus 34.6 degrees Celsius is equal to 8, 4, 12 and 38, 39. 39.2 degrees Celsius. No, 39.4, I'm sorry guys. 8 and 6 is 14, 39.4 degrees Celsius. So the temperature on 17th was 39.4 degrees Celsius. Akram has answered this, right? Yes, your answer was correct. 39.4, yes. Right? Everybody clear? Huh? Alright, so this type of question may also be asked from this topic. Yes. Okay, some online students has given the answer. Raju Singh is saying 39.4, Shakti is saying 39.4. Alright. Yes guys, your answers are right. Everybody clear now? Okay. So, you must be feeling that the questions are easy. Right? The questions are easy actually. Right? You need to be alert, while solving the question, that's it. Okay? आपको alert रहने की ज़रूरत है. सब होता है. Right? Okay. अच्छा, अब देखिए, guys, using allegation. So yesterday, in the topic of mixtures and allegation, we have solved these type of questions. Do you remember that the questions of weighted average? And this particular question, we have solved there also. The average salary of clerk and the average salary of peon. Do you remember that question? Right? So, ये वाला question तो किया हुआ है. The average salary of clerk is rupees 600. The average salary of peon was 84. Right? आपको याद आ गया होगा ये क्वेश्चन? हाँ, yes. अच्छा, the average salary of the entire staff is given as 90, right? And देखिए, जिन लोगों ने ये क्लास नहीं देखा हुआ है, तो प्लीज मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन का क्लास देख लीजिएगा, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स, right? And you will get the concept. Fine. Okay, so this is what 510, and this is 6. So this is the ratio of the number of clerks to the number of peons. Question is saying the number of clerks in the office is 12. So this is double of this. So double of this would be 1020. Everyone clear now? Right? So this question I think we have solved in the class, right? क्योंकि मेरे को ये नंबर याद आ रहा है और डबल इंटू 2 भी किया था, शायद ये रिलेशनशिप भी याद आ रहा है मेरे को, राइट? हाँ, सेम क्वेश्चन किया था. ठीक है, ओके. ऐसे सेम क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ जाए, और क्या क्या एग्जाम में आ जाए जरा बताइए. वही सब डलवा देते हैं एग्जाम में. यस, एवरीबॉडी क्लियर नाउ? हाँ, ठीक है, चलिए. अच्छा, ये वाला क्वेश्चन है, ये भी एलिगेशन है, इसको जरा करिए जरा आप. गाइस, प्लीज ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. या हाँ जी. Question says, the average marks obtained by 120 candidates in a certain exam was 35. If the average marks obtained by passed candidate are 39 and those of the failed candidates are 15, what is the number of candidates who passed the examination? Right. करिए जरा guys, tell me the answer. Yes everyone, clear? हो गया, done? All of you? नहीं? देखिए, question is saying the past candidates and the failed candidates. The past candidates are getting 39 and the failed candidates are getting what? 15. And the average is what? 35. Huh? So this is 20 and this is 4. So this is what guys? This is 5:1. Huh? So failed candidates is to passed candidate is 5:1. The ratio of failed candidates and the passed candidate is 5:1. Total how many candidates are there in the group? 120. So 120 will be divided in the group of, in the ratio of 5:1. So this is 120. So passed candidates are 100 and the failed candidates are 20. Right? Okay. All right. ठीक है. Done? See, 5 plus 1 is 6. 120 divided by 6 will give you 20. 20 into 5, 20 into 1. Right? This is the distribution in the ratio. Right? Okay. Done? All right.
So how do you recognize which questions should be done in this?
See, in these type of questions, there will be a group, bigger group, and that will have two subgroups. For example, here the class is the bigger group, and the failed candidates and the passed candidates, they are two subgroups of the same class, right? And the weight of both the subgroups, the average of both the subgroups is given, and the average of the entire group is also given. So here,
How do you differentiate this should be solved like this or the one which should be?
exactly, that's what I'm telling you. Ki if there is one bigger group, and from that bigger group you have two subgroups also, where the average of the bigger group is also given and the average of two subgroup is also given, right? So here the passed and failed, there are two subgroups of the bigger group is the class, right? So the average of the bigger group is given as 35, and the average of two subgroup is also given as 39 and 50, right? So this data is feasible for mixed result allegation concept, correct? Yes? Okay, everybody fine now? All right. अच्छा, अब देखिए फ्रेंड्स क्या होता है, कुछ मिसलेनियस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जैसे कि ये क्वेश्चन है, राइट? यहाँ पे आपको फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना ही पड़ेगा, बिना फॉर्मूले के इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व होंगे, राइट? सो देयर आर सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस वेयर यू नीड टू यूज द फॉर्मूला, यू नीड टू एज्यूम एक्स एंड यू नीड टू मेक इक्वेशंस एंड द क्वेश्चन विल बी सॉल्व देन. हाँ, तो जैसे मान लीजिए एक ये क्वेश्चन पढ़िए पहले. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत मतलब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस अभी तक पूछे नहीं गए एग्जाम में, लेकिन शायद पूछ ले जाए तो कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता, राइट? सो जस्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग द बॉलिंग एवरेज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइस, दिस टर्म इज न्यू फॉर अस, द बॉलिंग एवरेज. सॉरी, इफ यू गाइस आर इंटरेस्टेड इन क्रिकेट, राइट, then you might be knowing the bowling average, and if you don't know the bowling average, then I'll be telling you what is bowling average of a bowler. So guys, what is bowling average? The number of wickets taken divided by number of runs given, right? Runs per wicket, the number of wickets, number of runs given divided by number of wickets taken. It is runs per wicket. The bowling average is runs per wicket, right? Guys, clear? The bowling average is runs given divided by number of wickets taken. Done? Okay. अच्छा, the bowling average of a cricketer was 12.4. ठीक है. He decreases his bowling average by 0.4 when he takes 5 wickets for 26 runs in his last match. ठीक है. The number of wickets taken by him before the last match was, right? So let the number of wickets taken by him before the last match, the number of wickets taken by him before the last match. So let's say I assumed it as x. ठीक है, clear? अब मुझे एक बात बताइए, total number of wickets taken by him till the last match will be what? The number of wickets taken by him, guys, before the last match means what? Till second last match. Till second last match he took x wicket, and in his last match he took 5 wickets, right? So runs given till second last match. Guys, runs given till second last match was what? This is 12.4 into x, yes or no? Why? Because this is the bowling average, right? And this is the average, right? Bowling average into wickets taken, right, will be equal to, see, देखिए, bowling average is equal to runs given divided by wickets taken, ठीक है? So bowling average is given as 12.4 and wickets taken we have assumed as x. So runs given till second last match will be 12.4 into x. Yes or no? Clear? So runs given till the second last match was this. Everybody clear? In the last match he has given 26 runs. So till the last match he has given these many runs, guys. And till the last match he has taken this plus 5 wickets. Now his average is what? His average is reduced by 0.4. So initial average is given as 12.4, the average is reduced by 0.4, so now his average becomes 12. Everybody clear now? This is the equation, right? ये थोड़ा सा टफ हो गया क्वेश्चन, राइट? लेकिन करते हैं इसको. अब देखिए इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 12.4x प्लस 26 इज इक्वल टू 12x प्लस 60. इसको उठा करके आप इधर ले आइए. सो दिस इज 0.4x इज इक्वल टू 34. देन 4x इज इक्वल टू 340. x is equal to 85. Right, everybody? So question is the number of wickets taken by him before the last match was 85. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लेंदी है, राइट? एक बार और समझा देता हूँ, हिंदी में एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ, समझ लीजिए. The number of wickets taken by him before the last match was asked. So we have assumed this number as x. ठीक है? अच्छा, bowling average is equal to runs given divided by wickets taken. ठीक है? So bowling average is given as 12.4 and number of wickets taken we have assumed as x. So the runs given till second last match is 12.4x. ठीक? So runs given till second last match was 12.4x. In the last match he has given 26 runs, which is given in the question. So runs given till the last match was 12.4x plus 26. Wickets taken till the last match was x plus 5. Right? So this will give you the average till the last match. Right? So average till the last match was 12 according to the question, because 12.4 minus 4 minus 0.4. Right? Yes, everyone, fine now? So this question is actually not that tough, but yes, if you don't know bowling average is what or something, so this might be a difficult question, or the calculation will anyways, equation will become the lengthy one, right? Okay? Alright. So guys, this was the last question, I think. Done, all of you? Okay. All right. Done? Everyone? Done? Akram? हो गया आपका? शेयरिंग? Done? Okay, कर लीजिए. Yes, everyone. So friends, I think this was the last question. Sharing done? हटा दूँ? अच्छा, कर लीजिए आप. ठीक है. All right. So guys, this was the last question. So this is the book and the test series. Okay. तो ठीक है. And thank you everyone. And friends, now we are going for the Diwali break, right? So guys, please, आप लोग पढ़ाई करते रहिएगा, ठीक है? और दिवाली भी सेलिब्रेट करते रहिए, right? So guys, happy Diwali to all of you. Okay, everyone. And yes, after Diwali, we have the doubt sessions of these topics that we have studied so far, right? So for the doubt session, friends, you have to send me the questions in that CSAT thinkers group, right? Where so the first thing is like you need to share the questions. Agar suppose that during the class, if you have some doubt, during the concept classes, if you have some doubt, you can send that doubt also. And during the practice session, I mean, now after that you need to solve the practice questions. So suppose that in ratio and proportion, the question number 5, you are facing the difficulty in question number 5, suppose that. So you will write ratio and proportion question number 5, practice session, question number 5, question number 9, question number 10, question number 11. Suppose that these many questions you are facing the difficulty, right? So you may send the questions like this, right? And after that, PYQs of ratio and proportion are given. So you may write like this, ratio and proportion, okay, or this practice set, right? Question number, let's say 5, 9, 10, 11 or 15, right? Then PYQs, question number 2 and 7, right? Suppose that you are facing difficulty with these questions, right? So you just send these questions. After that, the next topic is let's say partnership. So in partnership, the same format will be used. After that, the next topic is let's say mixtures and allegation, right? So mixtures and allegation. So the same format will be used. After that, we have average, right? So the same format will be used. Guys, getting it? How to send your doubts, right, everyone? And after Diwali, we'll take these doubts one by one. I mean, first day we'll take the ratio and proportion, then we'll take partnership, then we'll take mixtures and allegation, and then averages, right? Everybody clear now? Okay? So please keep solving the questions, right? And enjoy your festival also. Okay, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and happy Diwali to all of you once again. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.